Hey guys, in this week's tip, we're going to finish up our series on SMS pricing basics. Over the last few weeks, we've taken a look at multiple ways to set up special pricing and promotions within SMS item maintenance. Now, we're going to expand just a little bit more. To start off, I'm in a basic item cost view. I'm going to go ahead and grab onto my cost table here and move it down a little bit just to make a little bit more room. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click this button right here for more details. Remember last week I clicked it once and that opened up our package and limited pricing and so forth. Now I'm going to click it one more time so we can do what we want to do this week. You can see we've opened up some new fields within our pricing table. Now what these will do is allow us to set up some promotions based on our customer loyalty or points-based program. Pretty neat stuff. Now let's get started. Now this week's tip is not intended to be an overview of points-based or customer loyalty programs. I'm just going to show you a few different ways that you can use points-based programs to develop promotions within item maintenance. So let's assume our loyalty program is in full swing. We've got quite a few followers and the customers tend to like earning points for the items that they purchase. We can use our points-based program to help influence customer behavior. As an example, I pull up that cereal item that we've been working on the last couple weeks. Let's imagine this is a brand new product that we really want our customers to try out. We can help influence their behavior by utilizing our point system and awarding bonus points for each of their purchases. We have the option of awarding bonus points on any one of the 4 main pricing categories. For today's tip, we're just going to focus on a regular price of this item. We're going to add some bonus points to help drive customers to try this product out. How do we do it? Well, pretty simple. We just go into the points box here, click into it, and assign a point value. In our case, let's say 2,500 points. From there, all we have to do is apply the changes. I've hopped over into the POS and let's take a look at what those changes did. Thanks to my friends at Honeywell Scanning and Mobility, I've got a new toy this week, their 7580 Genesis presentation scanner. Now I don't have to type those keys anymore, I'll be scanning just like you do every day. So let's take a look at our cereal item. I'm going to go ahead and scan it and you'll notice right away that it shows the bonus points right here on the cashier window. Now if the customer isn't already enrolled in your points program, this is an excellent opportunity for the cashier to remind them of the program and help get them enrolled right away. They'll see the benefits right here in this transaction. For our purposes though, let's assume that I'm already in the program. I'm going to go ahead and scan my card. You can see my customer information shows up here and then I'm going to go ahead and tender out and show you what happens from there. So we've cashed out our transaction and our receipt, it'll give you a summary of what happened in the transaction. Our cereal item and the bonus points that were awarded, plus you can see the beginning balance, the addition of the bonus points, and then the ending balance of the point program. Alright, we're back in item maintenance and I want to show you 2 more things for this week's tip. The first is this handy dandy calendar tool located directly underneath the bonus points promotion we created. All we have to do to use it, simply click in the box and it allows us to set a date range for that promotion that we just made. The second thing I want to show you is how to set up promotions to allow customers to redeem all those points they've earned for either discounts on the product or free items. We do that right here in the bottom center. The way this works is we select an amount of points that we want to allow the customers to redeem for a discount or to get the item for free. To do that, the points balances go here in the top. So in our example, we're going to say for 1,000 points, if we tab down, it's going to ask us what discount do we want to put in. I'm going to give the customer $1 off. If we want the customer to get a free item or the option to get it free at least, we're going to require that they use 3,000 points. Then I'm going to tab down and we can select a discount program here or we can leave it blank for it to select the default program one. Then all we have to do, apply all changes. Now I've hopped back over into the POS so we can see what happens within the transaction. I'm going to scan my cereal item and notice that you can see right on the screen that it lets you know that we have a promotion in place that for 3,000 points the customer can get this cereal item for free, or if they only have 1,000 points or only want to spend that much, they can get $1 off discount. Again, an excellent opportunity for the cashier to have that conversation with the customer to let them know the benefits of enrolling into your points program. Since I'm already in the points program, I'm going to go ahead and scan my card and you'll notice just like before, my customer information is entered. Now the real magic begins. Let's go ahead and subtotal this baby out. When we hit subtotal, a new window pops up on the cashier screen and she's able to have that conversation with the customer to let them know that for 3,000 points they can get this item for free, or if they only want to spend 1,000 points they can get $1 off discount. Also, there's a running total of the points that the customer has earned located conveniently right at the top of this window. The customers decided that they only want to use 1,000 points today, so the cashier simply hits the discount. 1,000 points will be deducted. Close this window out. You can see the transaction updated right here live. We're going to go ahead and cash out and look what happens on the receipt. We can see the details of what happened in the transaction right here on the receipt. We can see that the customer earned some points based off the original price of the cereal item. They redeemed some points, and for that redemption they got a $1 off coupon to get them to the price of $1.48 for the cereal item. Just like before too, we have the initial starting point balance, we have the additions, any redemption, and then the final point balance, all right here on the customer receipt. Well, that's it for this week's tip. Hopefully this series has given you a few ideas to develop promotions within your own store environment. Next week, we're going to start a new series on SMS reporting. Until then, have a great day.